Good morning, myself Ansh Kumari. My friend Preetham already discussed about the overview of project and now I am going to discuss more about it. To do the design calculation of cold storage, first we need to know the refrigeration cycle on which cold storage will work. Why is it important to know about the refrigeration cycle? Because it is our main objective. Refrigeration is the process of maintaining low temperature in the storage space as compared to the surrounding. Cold storage is works on the VCR cycle, that is vapor compression refrigeration cycle. The cycle mainly consists of four components, that is evaporator, compressor, condenser and expansion valve. Here, evaporator and condenser is the heat exchanger, where heat exchanger evaporator is the heat exchanger that is attached in the system, and the condenser is the heat exchanger which is attached in the surrounding. Here, the refrigerant flowing in the evaporator extract heat from the storage space at constant pressure, and then it is sent to the compressor to compress it isentropically, where the vapor which is formed after extracting heat from the storage space is compressed, and the temperature and pressure of it increases, and the high temperature and high pressure refrigerant goes to the condenser, where it at constant pressure reject the heat, and then it flows to the expansion valve, where it expand and again go to the evaporator to follow the same process. Here we are using two-stage compressor, as the staging of compressor will result in reduction in work done to compress the vapor, and it will also prevent mechanical problem, as a mechanical problem will be faced when single stage compressor will be used, because there the temperature of the refrigerant will be high. Now here we are using ammonia as the refrigerant. Since we are using ammonia as refrigerant, so ammonia attack copper, so we can't go for copper tube. We need to go for wrought iron as the material of construction. We were now coming to the next slide. Here it shows the plot between pressure and enthalpy and temperature and entropy, with the help of which we have calculated the COP of the cold storage, and we were supposed to do the fabrication of model of cold storage by the VARS system, which is vapor absorption refrigeration system, to utilize the maximum, to utilize the waste heat, and the VARS system is almost similar to the VCRS system. Just the difference is that in place of compressor, absorber, pump and generator is used in the VARS system. But due to this pandemic outbreak, we were not able to do the fabrication. So now the further slide will be discussed by my team members. Thank you.